How to get emergency loans even with bad credit. Introduction to emergency loans. Hey there. Today, I want to talk about emergency loans and how you can get access to them, even if you have bad credit. The great thing is that some of these loans don't require a credit check, and you might even get 120 days without making any payments. So what does that actually mean? It means there are options to help you in tough times without adding more stress. I'm going to share with you 10 financial institutions, banks, and credit unions that can provide emergency funding. Whether you've been laid off, are facing homelessness, or you've been affected by a natural disaster, this information is for you. And the best part? You can borrow up to $50,000. Trax Credit Union. First on the list is Trax Credit Union. They offer loans up to $25,000 with repayment terms of up to 60 months. This is a great option, especially for first-time borrowers or those facing some financial difficulty. Next up is the Johns Hopkins Federal Credit Union. They have hardship relief loans designed to help you cover essential expenses like groceries and utility bills. You can borrow up to $1,500 at a low 3.99% APR for up to 24 months, and you won't have to make any payments for the first 120 days. Police Credit Union. Then we have the Police Credit Union. They offer a special disaster assistance loan. You can borrow up to $7,500 with an interest rate of only 5.5% for terms up to 36 months. Moving on, there's Michigan First Credit Union. They feature the Minute Money Emergency Loan, so you can get cash deposited into your account in as little as a minute. You can borrow between $500 and $3,000 with a quick online application. Civic and Commonwealth Credit Unions. Next is Civic Credit Union. They provide short-term emergency loans up to $500 with fixed rates starting at 14% for terms of 3 months. We also have Commonwealth Central Credit Union. They offer 2 types of emergency loans. One is for $500 at 7.99% APR for 6 months, and the other is for $1,000 at the same rate, but for 12 months. The best part? They don't require a credit check. Summit and Cooperative Federal Credit Unions. On our list, we have Summit Credit Union. Their emergency loans allow you to avoid those high-interest payday loans, and you can borrow up to $400 with no closing fees. You need a minimum credit score of 500 for this one. Next is Cooperative Federal Credit Union. They offer loans for unexpected expenses up to $2,500 with a fixed 18% APR. You can get funded within 1 to 5 business days. General Electric and Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Unions. Now let's talk about General Electric Credit Union. They provide hardship emergency loans of up to $1,000 with 6-month terms. This is a good option during difficult times. Finally, there's Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Union. They have a special assistance loan for disaster victims, offering loans up to $7,500 with rates as low as 7% APR. Conclusion: resources for everyone. To recap, we've covered 11 financial institutions that can help you with emergency loans, even if you have bad credit. The amounts available range from $400 to $50,000. If you're struggling financially, check the description of this video for links to these lenders. They're here to help you when you need it most. And if you know someone who might benefit from this info, don't hesitate to share this video. Remember, you're not alone, and there are resources available to help you get through tough times. Until next time, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.